Hello and welcome to another episode of Voice of the Customer.
The voice of the customer.
All right, we're here with Carrie at LTV Southwest Roadrunners Rally in Las Vegas, Nevada, where every coach here pretty much is on the Sprinter chassis.
That's correct.
And you have one of those coaches, which we see behind us. And Carrie, we just wanted to interview you because you came into our shop several months back and had a lot of work done. So would you mind telling us a bit about how that's been working for you?
Well, it's been exceptionally good. One of the things that I'm on my third Sprinter chassis now, Motorhome, and each one of them, I've made modifications on, and I've never gotten the result out of it that I wanted. And when I heard your father give a presentation at FMCA rally, I said, I need to contact these people and see what they have to offer. And we got together, and I purchased quite a few modifications on this. And 2 blocks away from your shop when we left, I made a U-turn, and my wife said, oh, my God, it really did make a difference. So I knew that I had gone to the right place.
That's great. Well,
and the drivability of this thing is just off the charts. It is so much improved. We're really, really happy with it.
Well, thank you so much, Carrie. And thank you so much for putting in the great word for us with this group. It's thanks to Carrie that we were able to come to this rally. So that word of mouth really means the world to us, and being able to now meet all these other Sprinter owners and hopefully help them out too.
Well, a few things that I've said, I'm glad it's been positive, but I want other people to experience what I have. And it's been transformative to the way this drives. I really, really appreciate the work that you did.
Well, thank you very much, Carrie. I guess for the benefit of those listening, can you tell a little bit about what the work was that you had done?
Well, we had the struts on the front, heavy-duty adjustable shocks on the rear. We added a different sway bar, and we had the track bar installed. It's been incredibly good. It's been just great.
That's great. Our super steer adjustable shocks are kind of what really got us into this whole Sprinter R&D process, where we tested a bunch of other shocks on the market, and we really feel like ours are the best out there on balance. So it's really great to hear from you.
Well, my experience has been, I've never tried anything that's made such a difference is what the modifications that we have with you. It's off the charts.
So all that is great. So let's say there's somebody out there who owns a Sprinter. They're maybe trying to decide, do I have Henderson's do the work? Do I go someplace else? What would you tell somebody like that?
Well, I know the choice that I would make, but all I can say is that everybody has to make the decisions for themselves. And after consulting with you, and you showed me what you could do, you made the suggestions, and you tailor it to what your needs are and what you can afford.
Sure.
And the outcome has been wonderful.
Yeah, what you said, tailoring it to what you can afford, to what your needs are, and that is really what we try to do. So first we want to understand, what are the issues that you're experiencing as a coach? What are the problems? So that way we can really work on diagnosing them and coming up with a solution. We realize that, not everybody has the same priorities. Not everybody has the same budget. So anybody with a Sprinter chassis motorhome, I would really say, reach out to us, give us a call. Henderson's lineup, 541-479-2882. You can also reach us at Supersteer if you're not able to make it to Grants Pass, 888-898-3281 or supersteerparts.com. So we would love to hear from you. So thank you, and until next time, we wish you safer and happier driving.
Thank you.